forget. So that in case someone misses this meeting, they can still see me and still know directions. Today we're going to be doing the Math CBA. CBA stands for Curriculum-Based Assessment, which you're not going to be tested over what that means. But basically it is the district math test. So all second graders in Birdville School District and all the schools in second grade are given the same test. Now, this is what it looks like on paper. You guys will be doing it on the computer. All right, you're doing it on the computer. There are only 15 questions. Okay, you guys have been doing awesome in Education Galaxy and on all your online assessments. You did really well yesterday on your math review on Education Galaxy. I did a math review on the questions that look similar to the test. And you guys have been doing that in your math activities as well. So I feel really good about it. So yesterday I sent you a 6-digit number. I sent your parents a 6-digit number. That is your lunch number. That's the number you use on your lunch. That number is extremely important. I cannot give it to you over Zoom. That's why I emailed it to you yesterday. So please make sure you have that 6-digit number available. It is super duper important. Today, tomorrow, and Thursday. You'll need it all 3 days. Okay, so make sure you have that available. And then here's what you're gonna do. You ready? I want you to do your best. I want you to show your work on a piece of paper. Do your best. Take your time. You have lots of time. The good thing about being online, being at home, is you can literally take your time. You have plenty of time. So write down your answers on a piece of paper, show your work, do your best, try hard. You got this, okay? Here's what you're gonna do. It's super duper easy to get started. You have to have the 6-digit number I gave you yesterday though, okay? If you're in Miss Mason or Diaz or Mobley, let me know and I will let the teachers know and then they will send it to you. I don't have access to your ID number. You'll have to get that from your teacher, okay? My group, I sent it yesterday. All right, let me share my screen. What you're gonna do is on the yellow screen, so everybody should know how to get there. They go home, they click on Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. So they go to this is what my home screen looks like on my class. And what you do is you click on Tuesday. And then you come down here to math. Under math, it says Math CBA is today. Click on that. And when you click on that, it will give you directions. The same things that I just told you. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on this link right here. It will take you into a program called Eduphoria. All right, that's the name of the program. It has a little fox on the side. You'll click on that link. Please don't go through the portal. I would go through that link that I just gave you. I would click on that link right there. When you click on it, it'll ask you for your 6-digit number. That's where you type it in for the username and also the password. Username and password. Then it says down here, today's the math. You're only going to do the math test. So you're going to click when you type in the 6-digit number, it'll ask you which test you want to do. You only want to do math today. Math, and that's it. Nothing else. You don't do the other ones. I hear people.
Your lunches, you don't give them a number?
Like, I'm number 7.
Oh, is it? Because it says your username and password of the student's ID lunch number.
Yes, it's your ID lunch number. So, and then what you do is you answer each question and then you click next to go to the next question. Okay, you can use the question number or the next button or the previous button to go back and forth. Okay. All right, so it's very easy to use. I will be online. I'm going to stay on this Zoom. So if you have a question, you get stuck, it's not working, I will be here. Brielle, Tyler, Eli, and Michelle I would like for you to stay on with me so I can read the questions to you, okay? And anybody else that gets stuck on the questions that needs me to read them to you, please feel free to stay on also. Okay, that goes for the rest of you, even in Mason's, Mobley's, or Diaz. Okay, if you guys feel like, oh my goodness, I really need the questions read to me, stay on. Okay, if you feel like comfortable and you're like, Mr. Clem, I got this, it's working, I'm ready to go on, I can read the questions myself, go for it. You're independent. Okay, that means you're by yourself. Got it? If you get stuck though independently and you're like, Mr. Clem, I really need to know this word. I get stuck. I don't know what this says. I need this read to me. Come back to the Zoom right here, the same link, and I will read it to you. Okay? Got it? Uh-oh, it's stuck. It's froze. Okay, now it's moving again. All right, are there any questions? All right, if you feel comfortable at this point, you feel like, okay, I can get started on this, I know what to do, feel free to go ahead and get started. Go ahead and type in your 6-digit number, click the start button, and you may get started. Otherwise, if you have questions, I'm here to answer questions. Yes, CJ.
I don't know what my 6-digit number is.
I emailed it to Mom and Dad. I can send it to you over Canvas. It'll go straight to you. With that, you want me to do that? Okay, I can do that in just a second. Anybody else have any other questions? You guys are free to get started. Once you get started, you're free to leave the Zoom meeting. I will be on the Zoom meeting though if you get stuck or have questions or need help. I am here for you. My 11 o'clock group, I am not meeting today. Okay? So Susan, so Selena, all those 4 kids, Ivy, I'm not meeting today at 11 o'clock because I wanted you to have plenty of time to do your math work. Okay? Cool? I just want to let y'all know that before I forget. Yes, Susan.
I typed in my 6-digit numbers.
Yes? Did you
And
do
it says that it's incorrect.
Okay. Did you do that for username and password? Do that for your username and password.
Same with me. It isn't working. Same with you.
Mr. Clem, ours is doing the same thing.
It's not working?
Says it's incorrect.
Okay.
Not needed.
I'll look up the thing and double check. 1 second. I'm gonna turn this off.